Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be painting the frame. This is part 3 of the hydraulic install. We bought some Rust-Oleum turbo cans. We're going to make this thing really nice, so stay tuned. Most people probably would have stopped at the epoxy, but it doesn't have any UV protectant in it. I don't know. I figured if I went this far, I may as well finish it right. Here it is with the high build primer. I want to say it was 2 or 3 coats we put on here. Then we're going to come back in. All these spots that are gray right now, wet sand that down. And that's actually going to be all flaked. And then everywhere where it's black, we're just going to wet sand it, tape it off, ready for the final coat of paint. I haven't decided exactly what color. I'm probably going to lean towards black again, but we're going to do a little something extra on it. As you can see, after the epoxy, after the high build primer, the frame is actually looking really good. These areas that are gray are going to be more or less the areas that you see. Some of them you're probably not even going to see, but they are going to be the higher concentrated areas with your eyes. Here's the Sparkle Effects flake in the binder. It looks pretty cool when it's mixing. This binder isn't clear, it's a base coat. So this is after it's all cleared and it's looking sparkly as hell. Everything came out actually pretty much the way I would hope that it did. It looks really clean. The sparkles are hitting hard. That's the other side of the frame. So basically what's going to happen is we're going to let this sit for probably about 30 days or so. We'll wet sand this down as flat as it can be. Come back in. I'll do some airbrushing and then I'll paint in the rest of the color. We'll paint the rest of the frame whatever color we go with. It might be black, maybe red, maybe purple. I don't know what color it's going yet. So next will be patterns. Well, wet sanding it, then patterns. So what I'm going to start out with sanding with is this 320 wet paper. I just usually put it in a bucket with some soap in there, let it soak for a little while, get that paper nice and wet, and then just keep on adding water to whatever it is I'm sanding. I also like to use a little foam block, fold it over 3 times. This step is kind of crucial because if you want your finished product to be nice and smooth, this part has to be nice and smooth as well. So now that you have everything sanded, cleaned, scuffed, ready for paint, the black part, the painted part, Now it's time to finally break out the tape. So I usually use line tape because it curves really well, but for some reason I forgot to order tape. So I can only do so much with it. And I'm going to do a pattern that I can transfer from this gas tank to the frame as well. So it kind of all looks the same, but a little different. This tape that I'm using is really good tape, but it doesn't curve very well. So I kind of only can use it for straight sections. Here I'm also just going to line out the whole frame and get it all ready to tape it. Now after all that taping, I finally have something to look at. It's kind of hard to see what it's going to be, but knowing what I have in my head, it looks like it's done right, and hopefully it turns out exactly the way I planned it, because it is crazy, to say the least. All the different tapes on there. As you can see it going around the whole frame here. So a couple years ago I got these little 2-ounce bottles of House Colors. They kind of deformed over time, but they're candies that you mix with like a clear binder. So I'm just gonna mix up, I guess maybe 3 ounces, 6 ounces, and then I'm gonna put maybe 2 ounces of this in there. It's not clear coat, it's just clear base coat. So this clear base coat is the same base coat that I use for the carrier on the flake or the candy. So if I was going to flake something and then I wanted to candy it, I could do it all in the same day, because I could essentially take this, mix it up, make flake, spray it on there like regular base coat, and then come back in, mix up some candy, and then spray it on and then clear it, and then you'd have a flaked out candy paint job. So what I'm mixing here is nowhere near enough. I'm just trying to get like a base idea on how much I'm going to mix within how many ounces of paint. So I'm just trying to see how much color will actually go on the stick. If it's too light, I add more. If it's too dark, I added too much and I have to add more binder. So now I'm starting to paint it. Just doing really light coats. We're starting with the Brandywine. Very light coats, multiple coats. I'll probably do maybe 3 coats that are fairly light, and then I'll come back in and pull off the rest of the tape for that section, and then coat everything again, maybe 6 to 7 coats. It'll give it like a ghost pattern effect with the stripes. So as you'll see here, I did the first coat over the patterns, or over the spots, 3 coats. Now we're going to pull the tape off and we're going to go over the whole thing again 4 or 5 more times. It'll give it a uniform, mixed match of colors, and it'll look candy as hell. As you can see, I'm just barely dusting it on. Probably the first 2 coats over the silver, maybe 3 coats over the silver, I just dusted it on. When I'm doing this, it was late at night and it was cold out, so it kind of wasn't playing in my favor, and it wanted to run really easy, so I had to be very careful. Well, it wouldn't be real if something didn't go wrong. The paper flipped up and touched the candy paint, and it's not sealed in. So I'm thinking, as I keep on putting on coats, it's just going to blend in anyway. You're probably never going to even notice it. Damn it. I'm sure it won't be the last. As a matter of fact, it won't be the last mess up. So at this point, we're all done with the Brandywine sections. Now we moved on to the red section. This is the candy apple red. And at this point, I've already put approximately 3 coats down over everything. And now I'm going to start peeling my tape to get the contrasting color. And we will probably hit it with 6 to 7 coats again. So the original spots will actually have 9 to 10 coats of candy. And then these spots that I'm peeling out and revealing now will only have about 6 to 7 coats. So rather than keep on going over the same old thing and showing you coat after coat, this is all done. The red's finally finished. As you can see, has really nice contrast, really bright candy. From here, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mask off some of the spots on the gas tank because there is a silver and black area along with on the air cleaner. Now all the candy paint that we sprayed is underneath this blue tape. It isn't clear coated or anything, it's just base coat candy. So this blue tape won't lift the candy paint, but it's covering everything that we don't want to get black, because right now we're about to spray some black. So now after the black has been sprayed, we're going to pull off all our masking tape, make sure that we didn't have any black paint sneak underneath the tape and kind of mess it up. So the Brandywine, the apple red, and this black are all base coats, and they are all not clear coated in, so everything could get messed up very easily right now. So first what we're going to do is pull off all this blue tape. Then we're going to come back, pull off all our fine line green tape, and then we're going to come in with the airbrush and do a drop shadow and finish whatever we missed. Don't worry if any of the areas have like shiny spots and dull spots, because once that clear coat hits on it, it's just going to make it all the same solid color black. Here I'm putting in the shadow to make it look like the candy's in the background. And if you notice, there's a little mess up there. And if you have a little mess up, you can just tape it off real quick and just lightly dust it. And you'll never even know what happened. Now we're finally ready to clear it. The clear that I like to use is Matrix MS52, which is a high solids clear. It's like a very shiny show car style clear. Kind of expensive.
If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate it. And next video, we'll be doing some more stuff to the car or maybe something else. But thank you for watching. See you later.